Okay, so we're going to start now. Okay, so I explain what I did during the lesson. First, I greet the students and by asking about how they feel, do they feel, and about the weather and the days of the week. And then we had kind of like a pre-assessment to check out their alphabet sounds and also some of the sight words. So I know because the lesson, the main focus on today is to teach CVC words, use short A sound in the CVC words. So first, that's why I try to assess their alphabet sounds first. So do you think that's a good way to use that?
Yeah, it beginning was good. They were interested and yes, they were following you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And for the teaching part, the lecturing part, first I show them the 5 vowels because I'm going to teach one by one. The first one today is A, accent. And then I read a story I displayed on the board. So I point to them to show them what do they look like. And there are many CVC words in the short story about a cat and the rat. So I read for them and then asked the students to find the CVC words contains in the middle.
Yes.
And then thank you. And then I use the flashcards. I made some flashcards to teach them how to combine the words together. And by tapping when they hear one.
Yes, that was interesting as well. Yes. Good.
So they can I point
that game when they
tap.
yes.
Yep.
Yes. Tap, yeah.
So after that, I invited the kids to join the dots on each alphabet. So one dot, one alphabet, and they will say the sound and then combine together.
Yeah.
So this is the way doing the direct instruction to help them to understand how to combine the sound and how to make the word out together.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, after this part is kind of like the children get a bit water break and stretch a little bit according to the music.
Yeah, that's good. Make them active, make them to move. That's very important for their age. They can't just sit there, you know, they need to do some action and then speak up, but then action, you know, they're very
I think the children did better than me. They're better doing the actions than me. I'm not very good.
Yes.
And following that, we had playing using the sandbox. I also asked them to see if they like small whiteboard, but often choose the sandbox to write by listening to the CVC words.
Yes, that was amazing activity. They loved it. It's great, really. You prepare very well for your lesson, all the cards and all the games, all material. So this is great.
Yeah, the only thing that I worried about is sometimes when they use the sandbox, if they have a big movement, the sand might get all over the place.
Yes, I got it. But it went well. It went well, everything.
The girls helped. They really cooperated well.
Yes.
And then we had the game. It's more like swap the CVC words. So they listen to what I said and find the cards as fast as they can and swap it and get the cards for their team. So I have the teams so they can help each other. Sometimes advanced work with ESL learners so they can help each other in the teams.
That was cool, interesting, because they like to compete a little bit to be in different teams. Competition. That's excite them.
Yeah, that's exciting. And meanwhile, they can sometimes offer some help. I really don't know. And some child they're very sensitive. If they don't know, they feel sad, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. If they can get help from their teammates, they feel hopefully they can feel better.
Yes.
And then the last part is also more like an exit ticket to check their how much they learn. So I use the computer to let the children to read the words and find the picture on the computer. And that's the end of the lesson. And that's the fun part I like too. So the children can use their little fingers. They're not very good with using the computers yet, but they tried with their finger to control and where to point.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that's the whole lesson.
Yeah, it was great, really. Maybe a reading part, because maybe they can just advise next time they can do some action and then read. If they just sit there and reading, they feel bored. So like jump and read, always some action. It's always good. It's helpful for them to make them interested in lesson. So some short, yes.
Yeah, like I noticed that when reading part, something like, yes, maybe add that one will be good. So they can move around doing the reading, right?
Run one circle, sit down and read. Okay, now you're like, they just need to do something, and then they will be very interesting to read or to do your task. So some challenge.
There would be another activity I can add into the reading, right? It's kind of like fun.
Yes.
And maybe a game, a competition game or whatever, but they can like.
Yeah. It was great. I really enjoyed your class. You're very patient. You're very patient with them.
Thank you. So that's all for this one. Thank you.
Good. You're welcome.
Bye. See you.
Bye.